Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Qubrid AI. In today's tutorial, we'll be understanding about how to use the Hunyuan OCR model free of cost with the 4 million tokens we provide to every user who signs up on Qubrid. Now, this model is an OCR model which is having 1 billion parameters. It's an open source model from Tencent and it's outperforming many large proprietary models. That's why many developers are choosing this to integrate into their AI applications and get the preferred results which they want. So to start ahead, you have to go and log into the platform. If you have not an account, you can just go ahead and create an account. You can just sign up in the platform. And once you're done, you can just click on the login button here and it will take you to the platform itself. On the platform, you can go to the launch playground option, which helps you, launch the playground. The playground is one place which helps you play around with any models which we have hosted on the platform. So just you can see there are various categories. Click on OCR category. You'll see the Hunyuan OCR model pre-populated by default. You can just upload an image here, whichever you want. Let's say I choose an image and I upload it here. You can see the handwriting is very messy and stuff, but it's a OCR model and let's see how it performs. Just click on process image and it will take some time. And it says, so today is Thursday, October something, but it's definitely feels like Friday something. So today is Thursday, October 20th, but definitely feels like a Friday. So it's already performing well. So even handwriting and everything works pretty fine. If you want to make sure the model works even better, you can set the OCR mode to general, document, handwriting, or scene. Depends on what you want to do. If you would have selected handwriting, it would have might have done something differently. So it is a good thing to set. You can optimize the OCR mode based on the image type. You'll also be able to see the total time taken, the TTFT, as well as the tokens taken per second, and the image size as well, whichever you have uploaded. You can change the language as well in case it supports many languages. You can click on here and see whichever languages are supported: English, Japanese, and many other languages. The OCR mode is something which you can set it from your end. You can enable or disable streaming. It depends on you. If you disable it, you'll get the entire output in once, which makes more sense when we talk about OCR models. You can change the maximum number of output tokens as well as the temperature to as per your preference. Now, once you think this is a good thing and you want to integrate it into your application, we do have the serverless endpoints available. So just head back to the serverless endpoint and copy the serverless endpoint. Make sure the default settings stay default as they were, or you can change it as per understanding. I have disabled streaming and other things are pretty much the same. So I'll just click on copy and it will copy the endpoint. I'll use the curl endpoint as of now. It's also in Python, JavaScript, and Go. Just go to your notepad and paste it. Now you see you have to replace this Qubrid API key with the actual API key. If you use this, it won't work, right? So just click on get an API key and you can name your project anything. Let's say demo or something. You can set expiration date if you want. If you don't want, that's fine. Click on create an API key. Once you have done this, you'll be able to see your API key is generated. Now please copy this and securely store it because it will be displayed only once. If you lose this key, you'll need to regenerate a new one. Why I say this? Because if you copy it once and then you click on close, you won't be able to see the API key again. You'll see partial parts from the view all API key section, but it will only show you, let's say, up to this to help you identify the API key. But the entire API key will never be shown again. So that's why make sure you copy it and save it somewhere safe. Once you're done, go back to your notepad or anywhere where you have saved your code and paste the API key. Now you'll see there's a part called image URL. You have to make sure you put in the right image URL. So for now, let's say this is already hosted on Hugging Face, so I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Now my entire API or serverless endpoint is ready to be used. I'll just head on to Postman and I'll show you about how it works. So just go ahead and paste your API here and click on send. You'll be able to see the model is starting to work. It will take some time because streaming was disabled. So you see the entire context. Today is Thursday, October 28th, but it definitely feels like Friday. All of those things have come in here along with the metrics: input, output, token, total time taken, TPS, and stuff. So that's how it works. The streaming was disabled by default. If you want to enable streaming, just head back to the Qubrid platform and you can, enable streaming. So you see streaming was false. If you enable it, it will turn to true and then you'll get the response in streaming as well. It depends upon you. I'll show it to you once. So let's say I do stream is true and then I copy this endpoint again, I go back to Postman and let's paste it here and see how it works. You just click on send and you'll see the output is coming to start in small chunks as we expected because streaming was enabled, right? So that's how the entire thing works. And if you have any more questions related to how this entire thing works, if you have any questions on the model or anything, you can just go over to our documentation. It will take you to our hosted documentation. You can just go over and click on model quick start, and you can choose OCR model and the Hunyuan OCR 1 billion model. You'll be able to see everything and anything related to the model along with the parameters, whatever you want to do, change it and stuff. And if you have still any question which is not answered in here, you can go ahead to our Discord server and you can join our Discord, and you'll be able to ask the questions with our team directly, or you can drop down a comment in this YouTube video which we have posted, and our team will be there to answer. So that was it about how to use the Hunyuan OCR 1 billion model. We expect to look forward to your projects about whatever you make with this model. It's a very good model, and any help you required, we're always there. Thank you for staying till the end of the video. Hope you had an amazing time and you had some learning. Have a nice day.